Program launched on Friday in Kigali City by Never Again Rwanda, NAR, backed by USAID, is focused on seeking to contribute and strengthen the capacity of citizens, mainly women, youth and vulnerable groups, more effectively by giving them voice through participating to local government planning, budgeting and evaluation through collaboration with local leaders in each program district. This is a 3-year program starting from 2022 to 2024, which has targeted 8 districts, 5 sectors per district. Dr. Joseph Yarasa, the executive director of the NGO Never Again Rwanda, notes the main objectives and initial steps to engage the citizens of and in the project.
The main objective of this project or activity is to supplement the government's effort towards citizen participation. And we believe that civil society is a key partner when it comes to transformational governance, as it is indicated in the National Strategy for Transformation. During the conceptualization, we had to discuss with the citizens. Do they as gaps? What do they see as challenges and what needs to be done?
The project will be funded by USAID at a tune of $3 million USD over 3 years and provide oversight and support in closely working with the design of the program from beginning with the partners and now look up to working with local partners and explain why they have chosen Rwanda.
Our goal to reach 100,000 citizens here and train 3,000 government officials in the course of the program will be important ways for us to empower the government and its citizens. And certainly since the 1990s, we have been a strong presence in this country. Our programming here has been robust: health, education, democracy and governance, and economic growth, agriculture. There's a strong connection to the people here, given the history, given what they've had to do to recover over the many, many years, and the vitality of this place, both in terms of its ability to raise itself up and to be a model for many other countries, not just in Africa, but around the world for achievement. So for us, continuing to invest here is a natural thing for USAID and for the U.S. people.
Ms. Christine Rulinda, Deputy Executive Director of Programs Development of Quality Assurance in NAR, goes about on how the implementation would be done.
Trainings that will be given to the training leaders are mostly around how to engage the citizen in civic participation. Sometimes the leaders, they are not equipped to engage further the citizens. So they would come maybe to a meeting and then they will address the citizen, and they are not equipped to what we call at Never Again Rwanda into participatory approaches. So for local leaders, we will focus on participatory approaches, how we can equip them to further engage civic participation.
According to Dr. Eric Dushabandi, our Director of Institute of Research and Dialogue for Peace, IRDP, a study conducted by the National Institute of Management, RGB, shows that the role of the community in the project is 61%, which suggests that there should be a strengthening of the role of the community in the process. He highlights on what the result would be after implementation of this project.
This project is offering 3 opportunities. One is to produce evidences. In this way, it becomes Never Again becoming as a think tank to produce evidences to inform policies. Second component of the project is showing that Never Again will be a mobilizer, mobilizing all forces, structures, energies, to bring all stakeholders to use at the highest capacity level to participate in governance. But thirdly is about catalyst. Never Again is being catalyst because it will be at the center of all stakeholders between government, local government, civil society organization, and international partners. But at the center, youth and women, Never Again is becoming a catalyst to make things happening, to make things sustainable, because it will be owned by citizens.
Samuel Dusenjiumba, Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Local Government, Minaloc, said the project would help the government get accurate information about the needs of the people and make sure that people are satisfied with the services provided.
This project, Dufatanye Kwiyubakira Igihugu, is aligned with the national policy on decentralization. Improve on how citizens contribute to what is happening in their villages, in their cells, in their sectors, but also is going to really help to enhance some of the interventions that have been started by the government of Rwanda. We have been seeing that one of them is Umuganda. People are very happy with Umuganda and the way it provides platform to the citizens to really be able to contribute.
The program intends to build upon previous and current work led by NAR on engaging citizens to increasingly understand and participate in the policy processes and co-create spaces to share knowledge and interact effectively with the government, private sector, media and the public at the local level. The program will boost collaborations among civil society organizations, CSOs, both at the national and community level for discussion, peer learning and designing collaborative outreach and advocacy initiatives. Siddhi Patel, RTV News.